Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create shapes in Python. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Add in a for loop from the loops section. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the for loop and insert the int block. Add in the turtle circle block in the for loop. Now we add in the turtle forward block from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. Now toggle the forward block to left and specify the dimensions. Head to the start and edit the input text in the for loop. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. Enter the number of times the for loop will be repeated. The desired shape starts forming. Similarly, you can use variables to create different designs in Python.